My Twinkie, how do you feel about this?
Well, no. Let me see. Let me recall. Last Thursday, you stole my Gushers.
I don't care what you guys do anyways. I thought I'd yell with you. You're my best friend! Best friend! My best friend! My best friend! My best friend! Oh, I give you a boo-boo! I'm so evil!
Ah!
Hey kid, want some candy?
Yeah!